Champerty is, again, another crazy thing. I want you to read this for yourself. Don't take my word for it or ask your attorney about it. Champerty prohibits the purchase of securities or other financial instruments for the sole purpose of litigation. Guess what a mortgage is and a promissory note is? It is a financial instrument. So if you purchase a financial instrument like a mortgage and then you sue me for foreclosure, that is Champerty, people. How are you losing your house to foreclosure? You don't even know the name of the bank that's suing you. You're being sued by U.S. Bank trustee for secured back security number 23. Who the heck is that? If you don't know them, it means they did not accelerate the mortgage. The law says before they foreclose, they got to accelerate. Accelerate means you give me at least 5 opportunities to pay. You have to send me a notice of default, a notice of default. You have to give me a pre-notice before foreclosure. You have 5 notifications. If I don't know who you are, then of course you didn't accelerate. Champerty. Of course, we got hundreds of examples of that. QWR. Oh my goodness, is this thing powerful. QWR is a qualified written request. RESPA, write that down and please research this for yourself. Real Estate Settlements Procedures Act says that you have the ability to ask your mortgage company anything about your mortgage, and they have to respond within 30 days. If they don't, you can sue them for damages. And that means the value of your home, which means your house is free, crazy people. So everybody knows what a QWR is. If you talk to somebody, they say, oh, you talk to your attorney. He's like, QWR, oh, that ain't gonna work. I don't know why Doc telling you about a QWR. I know what a QWR. Let me show you what I'm talking about. I went to Google and I said, give me a sample of a QWR. I have people send me, if their lawyer say, oh, we did a QWR, send it to me. Let me see their QWR. And this is what the QWR normally looks like. It says, send me a complete payment history, which lists the date and amount of all the payments. Wrong. Everybody can do that. What I asked for, write this down, life of the loan transaction report. That is what you should be asking for, not a complete payment history. They're going to send you what the last bank sent them, was the last couple years of your non-payment. That is easy to provide. Are you kidding me? I want a life of the loan transaction report. That is from inception. And I have to use the exact terminology, life of the loan transaction report, because that is a legal construct. Let me tell you what you will find. Now, it's not often that you get those. Most banks will run and offer you loan modification right away, okay? A few of them hang in to see what you're about, and they will send you the life of the loan transaction report. I dare you to give it to me. I dare you to read it. I dare you to ask for it, because what you will see on it, they got all of these columns. Now, I'm going to tell you, this document's probably 100 pages long, and they know people are lazy. Even your attorney, they ain't going to read all of that, and they don't know what they're reading. They're not mathematicians or accountants. They just going to look at it and say, oh, I got it. Wrong. When I get it, I'm looking for one thing. I'm looking for the column that says, and write this down, unapplied funds account. Unapplied funds account. You better not have a single dollar in the unapplied funds account. Do you know what the unapplied funds account? Let me tell you this scam that they ran on you. And again, it goes back to you figuring out, why is the government saying that mortgage companies commit foreclosure fraud when I'm late on my payment? Why are they saying you're still committing fraud? Unapplied funds account. So what was happening, mortgage companies knew that they were buying these mortgages just to sell them later. So when you were making payments, they put them in an accounting entry called unapplied funds account. And then when they sold the mortgage, they forgot to credit it against your principal. That's why I talked to a client the other day. They took out a mortgage for like $350,000. They're saying they owe $1 million. Man, get out of here. That's why you owe more now than what it was worth when you took it out. Get out of here, people.